today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your linked bank account. Whether you need to move funds for savings or to access your balance, this process is quick and easy. So let's get started. So first is open your browser and go to paypal.com, log into your account and just um, put your email address and password and log in. So once logged in, so under your PayPal balance, you can see here transfer funds. So click on it. But right now, if I'm going to click on that, I will be rerouted to a new page, which is there will be a message that I can't do that because there I have zero balance in PayPal. But if you have balance in PayPal and if you want to send money or if you want to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account, then just click on this transfer funds and then just follow my prompts or my instructions. In the transfer menu, transfer to bank account, and then you will be given two options. The first is standard transfer, which is free. This takes 1 to 3 business days to complete. And then there's also a instant transfer, which is fee applied. This allows you to transfer the funds instantly for a small fee, usually 1% of the transfer amount, capped at a certain amount. So just choose your bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, select the one you want to transfer money to, enter the amount of money you wish to transfer from people to your bank account, and then just click next. And then after that, review the transfer details, including the transfer amount of the bank account. If everything looks correct, click transfer to complete the transaction. After the transfer, you'll be redirected to your PayPal activity page and a transaction will show up as completed once it's been processed. Depending on your selected transfer method, the money should appear in your bank account in a few minutes, a few business days. Important tips: standard transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank, and instant transfer usually takes a few minutes, but a small fee is charged. Make sure your bank account is linked and verified with PayPal to complete the transfer, and check your PayPal activity regularly to monitor the status of the transfer. So, final tips: transferring money from PayPal to your bank account is a simple process. Whether you're using standard or instant transfer options, you can easily access your funds. Remember to keep an eye on transfer fees and processing times to choose the best option for your needs. Right? So that's it for today. I hope this video helps you and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.